Welcome to Digital News. Today topic is India versus Pakistan match. In the biggest match of the year, with his mortality showing more than it ever used to, Virat Kohli proved he's still got it. That maybe, just maybe, the little he's lost isn't going to define him. He ticked off 14,000 runs in ODI cricket, brought up his 51st ODI century, set up India for a semi-final spot and essentially crossed out Pakistan from the 2025 Champions Trophy. The holders and the hosts need other results to go their way to stay alive in the tournament now. India went into the game as favourites. They were worthy of that seeding, limiting Pakistan to 241 with Hardik Pandya putting in the kind of performance that should make him illegal. An all-rounder capable of dismissing the opposition's best batter, and then coming back to take down their top scorer, isn't just a name on the sheet. He is the secret sauce. And Kuldeep Yadav was the spice. His left-arm wrist spin is so rare and he made it rarer by finding a way to be quick through the air without compromising on turn or accuracy. So that means unless batters pick him out of the hand, they are always going to be guessing. 3 Pakistan batters guessed wrong. All 3 were end-overs wickets. Pakistan was setting up to explode at the death. Kuldeep just wouldn't let them. The injury hasn't affected his manners. Pakistan were able to produce moments. Shaheen Shah Afridi sending down a 143 km/h in swinging Yorker to shatter Rohit Sharma's stumps. Abrar Ahmed conjuring a carom ball from hell to get rid of a rampaging Shubman Gill. But when it came to capitalizing on them, they just couldn't. The result was a world champion side that was renowned for pulling games out of the fire now seems to do the first part right. They definitely got into trouble in Dubai, but the other part, the important part, is going so very wrong. Pakistan were 151 for 2 in the 34th over before they were bowled out for 241 with the most inexperienced member of the India side dictating terms, Harshit Rana, and his slower balls were just impossible to hit. A game in an ICC event and a rivalry with history bursting out of it eventually became so one-sided that its last few moments were dominated by an individual pursuit. Axar Patel turned down an easy to so Kohli could pursue his 100. The crowd in Dubai loved that. There were 12 runs to get for India's victory and 12 runs to get for their hero's century, and they chanted his name over and over. Pakistan were nowhere to be found. Ever since a collapse of 3 for 11 in 19 balls, this game turned pear-shaped for them. Mohammad Rizwan had banked on the innings going so differently. He came in at 47 for 2 and hit his first ball for 4 and then decided run scoring was not for him. He was 24 off 50. He barely hit the ball in anger. He point-blank refused to. At the other end, Saud Shakil was at least making an effort to turn the good balls he was facing into singles. Kohli was setting the tempo. Pakistan had allowed to do so. Though he only hit 3 of his first 62 balls to the boundary, he already had 50 runs to his name. He knows how to score quickly without looking for big shots. The ball wasn't stopping on the surface as much under lights. Things were working in his favor again. He almost knew he was going to get 100. He demanded an explanation when Axar turned down a second run off a wide in the 42nd over when it was clear to everybody else that all he was doing was make sure Kohli had the best chance to get to 3 figures with time running out. When he did, off the last ball of the match, Kohli looked to the dressing room and literally said, "I told you. Relax." That was how easy this was. That was how inevitable he was. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comments our channel.